discovered the third secret, the golden circle secret, to understand how I need to deepen my voice and deepen my communication so that the other person listens. Right? So this is called the golden circle, or this is also called the why, how, and what circle. If you will see, how will a salesman talk? A salesman will say, okay, I have a beautiful mobile. It has got so-and-so features, so-and-so RAM, so-and-so memory, and this is a good mobile. 50 people have already purchased. We only launched yesterday and 50 people have already purchased. Since you're going to be the 51st one, we will give you a special discount. Would you like to buy it? And you will say, we'll think about it. We'll call you. Let's see. You're not moved because the person only talked from the outer circle, which is the what circle. The logic part, the features, the external of the communication was communicated. While if you will know Apple and if you will know the culture of Apple, they actually, how do they sell? They don't even sell. They just tell what they stand for. What is their purpose? What is their reason of existing? And they go from inside out communication. That is why, how, and what. So if an Apple person has to say to you something, they will say, or he will or she will say, hey, Apple stands for creating a disruption in the status quo. We really feel that the client has their own mind and their own design, and whatever we create should be their own self. And hence, whatever we are creating in the space of digital, whether it is laptop, mobile, or any of our digital, products, it is so customized that the client will always like to hold an Apple product, because for him or her, it means a self-expression in the outer world. And by the way, we have this wonderful features in MacBook Pro and MacBook Air, and then they will talk about the features, and then they will say, okay, are you in for it or not? And you will say yes, because you were first hit by their purpose, their being, their why, what is the essence of Apple existence. And only then you went on with how, and they went with how and what, and you were okay with their what then, and you said, fine, I'm going to buy. My dear friend, my dear ladies and gentlemen, I want to know from you, are you transactional in your speech, or are you speaking from a very deep purpose of your living essence? Because 80% of the people are like this. Only 20% of the people will go from inside out communication. Are you with me on this? 80% of the world will go from outside in communication. And that is where we need to start tweaking our communication from why do we exist? What is our value? What is our values? What is our, being? What is our attitude? What is our motivation? If we can express this more to the people around us, you will have so much of healthy relationships. You will have so much of fun with, being yourself. How many of you think you're wearing a mask today? How many? Anybody? Mask in the world? Face off. Or do you think, how many of you think that the people are wearing masks today when they are communicating with you? People are wearing masks today when they are communicating with you. So my dear friends, my dear ladies and gentlemen, this is why we are here. And that is why if you want to be productive, you need to understand your communication. Mostly you need to be in from that inside out communication, because then you will really see how things will beautifully flow, because you're doing that Trikarna Shuddhi, which is the alignment of your thoughts, words, and action. And when there is a Shuddhi, the Shuddhi means, purity. When there's purity in the thought, I know it will, you'll say, no, Shilpi, it doesn't work in this world. You know how people are, they want to see. I do agree with you, but do it slowly. Don't do it overnight. Start changing your communication by and by. till people recognize you with this type of communication as your brand. You should brand yourself with a different type of communication. If everybody's speaking the same language, what is the difference? There's no difference whatsoever. So this is where we need to work on.